Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to switch a Monopoly Go account. Now it's an extremely easy process. So firstly what you will do is just simply open your main Monopoly Go game. Now once your game is opened, just simply click on the three lines at the top right, then click on settings. Now click on connect account and right over here, whatever way you are using to connect your Monopoly Go account, just simply disconnect them. So in my case, it's both Google and Facebook, so I'm going to disconnect them. All you have to do is just simply click on disconnect. Then it will be automatically disconnected. Do same for the Google as well. Now once you're done disconnecting, close the application, then hold on to your application, then click on app info. Now all you have to do is just simply clear the cache data of this particular application. So click on clear data, then clear cache, then click on OK. Now once the cache is cleared, again open the application, restart it again. So now just simply wait for a few seconds over here. Now right over here, you will need to click on agree. Now over here, just simply choose however you want to sign in. So all you have to do is just simply choose that particular option, and then after that just simply log in with a different account in Monopoly Go game, and then you will be able to switch your Monopoly Go account. That's it. And thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Take care.